Hey there guys, Abner Reviews here. Back with another unboxing, and today we have the 3 sizes of the Nebula Funko Pop protector. So let us start with our comparison right here. So first up, this is the 4-inch version of the Nebula Funko Pop protector. That is the 4-incher right there. Next up, this one is the 6-inch version of the Nebula Funko Pop protector. As you can see, it's already hard to focus it and center it on my camera because it's really big right here. But that is our 6-incher Funko Pop protector right there from Nebula. And last but certainly not the least, the biggest one of them all. So this is the 10-inch Nebula Funko Pop protector, and of course this one is for the 10-inch Funko Pop exclusives. So this one, guys, is our 10-inch Nebula Funko Pop protector. So here are our 3 sizes right there. That's the 6-inch and this is the 4-inch. So let's get to building all of these Funko Pop protector sizes from Nebula.
Perfect.
So there you go. So those are the 3 sizes of our Nebula Funko Pop protector. So from left to right, the one on the left, the first one is our 4-inch Funko Pop protector. Beside it, in the middle, is the 6-inch one. And of course, the big dog of them all, the 10-inch Nebula Funko Pop protector. So in terms of dimensions, so the 4-incher is 15 cm, the 6-incher is 19 cm, the 10-incher is, that's 33 cm for the big dog, the 10-inch Nebula Funko Pop protector. So there you go, guys. That's how they vary in size. Okay guys, we put in some of our Funko Pop collection on the 3 sizes of our Nebula Funko Pop protector. So here it is. So that's the 4-inch one. That one is the 6-inch. And that's the big dog, 10-inch right there. So there's the size difference right there, guys. 4-inch, 6-inch, and the 10-inch Nebula Funko Pop protector. So this is the 4-inch Nebula Funko Pop protector. You have seen this earlier from our previous review. So this is the Venomized Hawk figure number 366, and that is on our 4-inch Nebula Funko Pop protector. This is our 6-inch Voltron figure right here, number 471. That looks good. So that's our 6-incher Nebula Funko Pop protector with our Voltron figure. Nebula right there. So this is our big dog, the 10-inch Nebula Funko Pop protector, and of course it contains the big dog himself. So that is the Thor Ragnarok Hawk version right there with his axe, and this is a 10-inch Funko Pop exclusive figure number 241, guys. So that's the Hawk right there. Let's peel from this big dog. Wow, it peels in one piece, guys. Wrapped around it. Here as well. There you go, guys. That is our 10-inch Nebula Funko Pop protector with the Thor Ragnarok Hulk. So there you go, guys. Those are the 3 sizes for our Nebula Funko Pop protector.
Wow.
The 4-inch right here, 6-inch, and the 10-inch big dog right there.
Wow!
So I hope you like this comparison between the 3 sizes that we have right here. So those are the main 3 sizes of our Funko Pop collections: the 4-inch, 6-inch, and 10-inch right there. Of course, there are other sizes for the Funko Pop collections, but I'll show them to you later on within our other videos. So I hope you liked our video today. If ever you are using another type of Funko Pop protector, comment down below. I would like to remind you that we are currently on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. So for details on that giveaway, so you can join, go to the video right here, and I'll also put it on the video description. So that's it, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell. Select all so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. I'll catch you guys on the next one.